It gives me pleasure to announce that Chairperson CEA Mr. Rakesh Nath has just joined us. I'll request him to take the stage and bless us with his words of wisdom.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As Mr. Shahi has said, when I was contacted by IMA to participate in the evaluation of award, I was not very sure whether I should participate in this. But then I thought over it that IMA is a very important industry association. At the same time, we are a growing sector, and therefore there is a need to encourage the players who have done well in the power sector. See, 10th plan, we did only 21,000 megawatt against target of 41,000 megawatt. And in 11th plan, we have about 80,000 megawatt capacity under execution, out of which about 12,500 had already been commissioned. Now, when you have this type of spurt in the activities, there is bound to be some slippages on account of shortage in supplies, shortage of manpower, shortage of contractors, and other issues. And I think gradually we are overcoming these problems. The industry has responded well, and they have taken action to enhance the production capacity. And I think by the end of this year, I expect that most of the supply-related problem will be overcome. I feel that on the 12th plan, our preparations are quite good, and very soon we'll be coming out with a working paper giving the total requirement of generation, transmission, distribution, equipment, materials, all the key inputs that is required for meeting this plan requirement. We'll come out with a paper, we'll share it with you, and in the month of April or May, we'll organize an international conclave where we'll invite all of you to give your inputs, to give our problems, difficulties, which we'll try to resolve in having the accelerated growth of the power sector. With these words, I wish all the awardees my best wishes, and as Mr. Shahi has suggested, I hope that these awards will be a regular feature, and next time we'll find more competition and more people participating in this award. Thank you.
May I now request Mr. Vijay Paranjpe, President IMA, and Mr. Vijay Karya, Chairman Raveen Cables, manufacturers of Prime Cap Cables, to come on stage and felicitate the jury members. Mr. R.V. Sahi, Chairperson Jury Committee and former Secretary Power, Government of India. Mr. Rakesh Nath, Chairperson CEA. Mr. N.C. Vasudevan, Director General, National Productivity Council. Mr. P. Uma Shankar, Chairman, Rural Electrification Corporation. Mr. Yogendra Prasad, Special Advisor, Energy, Government of Uttarakhand. And Mr. B.S. Sahai, Director, IMT Ghaziabad. May I request Mr. Murli Venkatraman, Vice President IMA, and Mr. Vimal Mahindru, Vice President MEMA, to come on the stage and felicitate our evaluation committee members. I request Mr. N.S. Saxena, Director General NPTI, please come on the stage and accept this small memento. May I request Mr. Jagdish Kumar, Deputy Director General, National Productivity Council, along with him Dr. D. Pawan Kumar and the Energy Management Group. Mr. K. Ramanathan, Distinguished Fellow, Dairy. Mr. Ramaraman, ED REC.
Divakar, I think it's been quite some time. Everybody's waiting. And I think it is time for us now to bring on the winners, right?
Exactly.
Yes. So we've worked hard all year round to be recognized and rewarded this evening. Time for us to begin the very first category of awards. The award for the excellence in thermal power generation, 200 megawatts category.
And the nominees are the Hanu Thermal Power Station of Reliance Infrastructure Limited, Kotegadam Thermal Power Station of Andhra Pradesh Power Generation Corporation Limited, Vijayawada Power Station of Andhra Pradesh Power Generation Corporation Limited, and Guru Govind Thermal Power Station of Punjab State Electricity Board. Can we have Mr. Ashok Khanna, MD, CNS Electric, on the stage to join Sai sir in honoring the winner?
So I think we'll begin with the first runners-up in this category. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kotagedam Thermal Power Station of Andhra Pradesh Power Generation Corporation Limited.
May I request Mr. Ajay Jain, MD, AP Genco, to come over the stage.
Congratulations, sir.
I'll request President EMA, Mr. Paranjpe, to also join them in honoring the winners.
Moving on to our winner in this category, ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the Hanu Thermal Power Station of Reliance Infrastructure Limited.
May I request Mr. Prashad Rao, Vice President, Reliance Infrastructure Limited, to be on the stage and receive the award.
Mr. Nath, may we request you to kindly join us, and Mr. Paranjpe, sir, please kindly join us in honoring our winner for this category, Excellence in Thermal Power Generation, 200 megawatts. Thank you so much, gentlemen. Our heartiest congratulations to you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, well, moving on to the next set of awards. The Award for Excellence in Thermal Power Generation, 100 megawatts. And the nominees are
JSW Energy Limited, Bellary, Karnataka. Ramagundam Thermal Power Station of Andhra Pradesh Power Generation Corporation Limited. Korba Thermal Power Station of Chhattisgarh State Electricity Board.
to present the awards. We would like to invite
Mr. Vijay Karya, Chairman Raveen Cables. May I also request Mr. Uma Shankar.
the winner is JSW Energy Limited, Bellary, Karnataka.
And to receive the award, we have with us Mr. Satish Jindal, Senior Vice President.
Thank you so much, gentlemen, for doing the honors. Congratulations, sir. The next category, the Award for Excellence in Thermal Power Generation, Gas-Based Power Plant. And the nominees are
Dhuvaran Stage 2 Power Plant of Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited, Pragati Power Corporation Limited, Delhi, Uttaran Power Plant of Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited.
To present the award, we would request
Mr. Rajesh Jain, Chairman, MCO, to come on the stage. And I'll request President EMA, Mr. Paranjpe, and Mr. N.C. Vasudevan to do the honor.
to begin with the runners-up in this category. Please put your hands together for Pragati Power Corporation Limited, Delhi.
I'll request Mr. R.K. Gaur, MD, Pragati Power Corporation, to come on the stage and receive the award.
The winner for the category of Excellence in Thermal Power Generation, Gas-Based Power Plant. Please put your hands together for Uttaran Power Plant of Gujarat State Electricity Corporation Limited.
Can we have on the stage Mr. P.H. Raha, MD, Mr. P.C. Patel, Additional Chief Engineer, on the stage.
Thank you so much, sir. Moving on to the next category, the Award for Excellence in Hydropower Generation. And the nominees are
Nathpa Jhakri Hydropower Station of Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited, Sharavati Generating Unit of Karnataka Power Corporation Limited, Nagarjuna Sagar Hydroelectric Project of Andhra Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, and Upper Indravati Hydroelectric Power Project of Odisha Hydropower Corporation Limited. And we also have Salal Power Station of National Hydropower Corporation. I'll request Mr. Yogendra Prasad to do the honors this time.
to begin with the runners-up. Please welcome on stage Natwa Jhakri Hydropower Station of Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam Limited.
And may I request the CMD, Mr. H.K. Sharma, and Director Electrical, Mr. R.P. Singh, to receive the award in this category.
Congratulations, sir. The winner for the excellence in hydropower generation is Shravati Generating Unit of Karnataka Power Corporation Limited.
And I take pleasure in requesting Mr. Dr. S.M. Jamdar, MD, and Dr. Murlidhar Rao, Technical Director, to come on the stage and receive the award.
Guys, come on, put your hands together for our winners.